Yo, what is going on guys? It is Caspahz here and today we are going to be talking about the health system in Cold War Zombies. For the first time ever, zombies will now have the possibility of dropping armor, and it's also going to be purchasable with an in-game currency called salvage. Treyarchs stated that this new armor mechanic is supposed to be the replacement for the shield that we all know. Each player is going to be able to have 3 armor plates at once, and these armor plates are going to be upgradable in additional 2 tiers. Once the armor is damaged, it is repairable through the use of salvage, the carpenter power-up, or an occasional drop by certain zombies called the armor shard. Many players had the question about how this armor is going to stack with the Juggernog perk. Let's talk about that now. In a blog post by Treyarch, they provided us with a gameplay guide in which they stated the base level perk effects of all of the perks. Before performing any upgrades to your Juggernog perk, the base level will only provide you with an additional 50 health. This is equivalent to 1 hit from a zombie. In a leaked post which can be found in the description, it was stated that by fully upgrading your Juggernog perk, your health will increase by 100 more and armor plates will also provide more armor. With that being said, a fully upgraded Juggernog perk will allow you to take an additional 3 hits from zombies. In Black Ops 3, the maximum number of hits a player could take from a zombie without Juggernog was 3. Assuming Cold War has the same base health system, once the player has a fully upgraded Juggernog perk, they will be able to withstand a maximum of 6 hits. Based on the Cold War Zombies leaks, once a player has fully upgraded Juggernog and armor, they will be able to withstand a theoretical 10 hits. With that out of the way, I am very excited to test out this new mechanic once the game is launched. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you do enjoy my videos, you can support me by leaving a like on this video. I will also be covering Cold War Zombies on a day it is released. If that's something that you do not want to miss out on and you want to be the first to be notified when I upload, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Until next time, it's been Caspahz and I'm out. Peace.
Don't forget to like Caspahz's video now!